Yeah, I remember seeing the same thing. I think that Janet saw the you can half-ass it. And I joined Money Bootcamp first. So I was there already was in that community. So for me, SMA was kind of adding on to that and just kind of going deeper, learning more about myself. And I remember feeling like you both took me seriously as a CEO making decisions about my own business. You were saying you will be making your own decisions and, I'm not here to tell you what to do. And at the same time, giving you support to learn more about yourself. And I also remember, I think I actually emailed you before I joined, and I was just like, hey, I know it's sort of, woman oriented. I'm non-binary. I just want to make sure it's okay if I join. And I remember that whoever answered me gave me a really good answer. I don't remember exactly what it was, but that's something I personally look for is just, I'm fine with it being mostly women as long as there's some awareness of gender diversity and, at least a nod to that. And I remember there was something in that answer that was like, yes, we are actively thinking about this and making sure that we are, acknowledging different genders when we're making marketing. And I really appreciated that as well.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.